Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at SMT in Nuremberg and I'm joined by Jade Bridges from Electrolube. Jade, thank you very much for stopping by to talk to me.
No problem.
You've been busy on your booth talking to people, mainly on the technical support side, so much
Yes.
more solutions-based than perhaps
Definitely,
product-based.
yeah.
What have people been looking to solve?
A bit of everything really. I mean, the Electrolube product range is so wide that we get a lot of different application requirements. But mainly people are looking for cleaning solutions so far, and also conformal coatings is quite popular at the moment.
Okay, and in terms of new products that you bought here, is this a show where you would launch product, or is it product that you've had in the US and in Asia already?
We have some products that we've recently launched towards the end of 2011, but we've also put some press releases out and launching our new isocyanate-free resins that afford the performance of polyurethane resins, but without the isocyanate. So we're still going down the green route, and they're also generating a lot of interest. And that's the first time we're introducing them at this show.
Okay, and the green agenda, is that an agenda that plays perhaps stronger here in Europe than it does elsewhere?
Yes, I think so. I think it's leading in Europe and following on elsewhere. But depending on the area, depends on what is termed as green and what is more important. So it's market specific, really.
And the sustainable agenda to me seems one of those agendas that we tend, and perhaps we're guilty of this as journalists as well, we tend to pay much more attention to when the market's strong, when everybody's happy and they're making money. When the market's tougher, we seem to be much more focused on just driving sales. Is that what you found over the last couple of years?
It can happen, but to be honest, within the electronics industry, particularly the materials market that we're in, a lot of the environmentally friendly solutions are also proving cost effective, either in materials cost or the processes are changing. And the processes are becoming, they differ and they might not be so expensive to run. You might not need extraction, for example. So again, it's application specific, but in certain areas a greener option is also a better option for everybody else too.
Yeah, and I suspect that it's lean and cost saving that's going to drive people through the green agenda anyway.
Exactly, and it just looks to the future for them too. So it meets all requirements really. It solves a problem immediately, but then they think, well, it'll be better long term and we won't need to change again.
Yeah, and in terms of the just drilling down on the technical support side of things, here in Germany, are the technical support requirements different? And if you're supporting all those consumables for all those product lines, you must have to have a very broad understanding of all the different processes as well.
Yes, that's true. I mean, it's here in Germany, it's the same as most other places in Europe, but it can be very specific. You have detailed application requirements, so yes, you need to understand both the processes and the final application and what the product needs. But yeah, covering all the range is not too much of a problem. Electrolube have some staff that have been there for a long time. I personally have come out of research and development, so I have the background knowledge for the product groups, which is hence my position now for technical support. So
and there's a feedback loop there, isn't there? That with your links to research and development, the guys that you talk to here that talk about problems. Are there things that you'll take back and we'll start the development for the next range of products?
Certainly, yes. We always use our customer feedback to push, as well as our innovation and looking at what we think the market needs. We always listen to our customers and work very closely with our customers to design specific products, either for them or for the market.
Yeah. Okay, well, Jade, thanks for popping by and talking to me.
No problem.
Thanks for the information. Enjoy the rest of the show and I hope we can speak again soon. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you.